channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can trade volatility 75 index and step index on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames, we are just going to take a look at what has happened on the higher time frames. So I'll be starting with volatility 75 index on the weekly time frame. What do we have on the weekly time frame? We can see that price is ranging on the weekly time frame, where we have this low, and we have this low. All right, this might turn out to be an inverted head and shoulder at the end of the day, at the end of the period, or in a long term or in a short term period, where this will be our left shoulder, it will be the head, and this might be the right shoulder. But that I might be wrong. Price might just decide to drop to this particular order block, and the head and shoulder pattern might fail. So that's that. Excuse me. So that's that for the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame, what do we have? We can see on the daily time frame that price has risen to this point and has dipped up to this point, and then we have more like a swing high here. So it's not really defined, it's still ranging on the daily time frame, where we have this bullish move, this retracement, and another retracement. So we might see price retrace a bit before price continues up or drops. But for now, today's candle is it has dropped, being the first day of the month of June. That's dropped below yesterday's candle. So this is more like a swing high formation. We have like a swing high formation on volatility 75 index at daily time frame. So price might drop further. We might have a retracement to Fibonacci levels. We might have a retracement down to 363,887 level. That's the level to watch if price is gonna drop. Looking at the candlesticks, we have something like shadows at the top. Look at this shadow. Look at this shadow and look at this shadow. These are signals or indications that the sellers or the bears are in the market, and the bears are trying to push price down. Although we have this order block around here, I'm talking about the 36000 level. Price might get to that level to find support before going up. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see a triple top. This is the first top, this is the second top, and this is the top. This is like a tree drive pattern, and price might drop just because of that. We see the buyers are trying to push price up, and the sellers are resisting at every move up. Okay, so we have a breakout already happening of the trend line, and look at this current candle, this current 4-hour candle, showing that price has broken the trend line, and price might drop to this other block around here. If this other block, I'm talking about the 37000 level, if the other block at that level fails, we might see a drop to the 36000 level on the 4-hour time frame. But for now, we have like a tree drive pattern, and we expect price to drop. So you might want to look for selling opportunities on volatility 75. But if price is gonna drop, price will likely drop to the 363,887 level. If I'm gonna sell V75 because of this trend line break, I may likely sell it down to the 36887 level. All right, but before then, I have some other blocks that might serve as support before price gets to that. Price currently at this particular order block. We also have another order block around here. Price might drop to this order block around here before it gets to my likely target. My target is around here, where I have the 363,887 level. That is if price is going to drop. But if price decides to go up, we have this other block around here. Talk about the 383,879 level, and we also have another other block at the 390,000 level that might serve as resistance to price. All right, so Also on the, let's take a look at the 30 minutes time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame, you can see a triple top. This is the first top, this is the second top, this is the third top, and price has broken the neckline. Okay, we have a neckline break. The price is dropping, so you might want to consider selling volatility 75 index. On the 15 minutes time frame, we have this head and shoulder pattern. This is left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. This is the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. Price has broken that very neckline and price is dropping. On the 5 minutes time frame, we have a price respecting the descending trend line, this descending trend line, and price it's selling every rise. Okay, we have a high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So that's a bearish structure on the 5 minutes time frame, and as price tests the trend line, price drops. So you might want to continue to sell at the highs and follow the trend. On the 1 minute time frame, you can see that the buyers are trying to push price up. A break above this trend line might signal a rise to this particular order block on the 1 minute time frame. Talking about this very order block on the 1 minute time frame that might serve as resistance to price. Price might get here and drop some more, but for now price is already dropping on the 1 minute time frame. I see it dropping to this particular level. I'm talking about the 374851 level. A break below that level, price will continue its bearish trend on the 1 minute time frame. So that's that for volatility 75 index. Let's quickly take a look at step index. On the weekly time frame, you can see that the price of step index is currently bullish and ranging at the same time. You can see price forming higher lows. The lows are higher. This low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low. This low is higher than this low, and this low is higher than this low. But we tend to have a descending trend line at the top around here. Okay, but let's see how it pans out on the weekly time frame. Its price is going to break and continue its upward direction. On the daily time frame, what do we have? You can see price is ranging gradually upward, but for now, in the last 1 week, we have price trying to drop. But today is the start of the month of June. Let's see how today's candle is going to end. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price is gradually retracing the upward movement. I'm talking about this upward movement. Price is retracing it, and the retracement has gotten up to what Fibonacci level? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. What Fibonacci level now? That's gotten up to 38.2%. Fibonacci level. If price continues to rise from there, that shows that this trend is still strong, and we might see a break above this descending trend line. So that's that for step index. On the 4-hour time frame, we have a range. Price is ranging in a channel. This is the channel. We might want to wait for a range breakout. On the 1-hour time frame, you can see price still moving in that channel. You'll be waiting for price to drop below the channel to continue the bearish trend, or rise and break the upper channel level. All right, that's that for the 1-hour time frame. For the 30 minutes time frame, price continues to form lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a high, is a low, lower high, lower. So it's typically a bearish trend. Okay, until we see a change of character or a break of structure to the upside, it's advisable to continue to sell step index. Same thing with the 15 minutes time frame. The sellers are always trying to drop price. For every rise, the seller steps in and drop price. So you might want to consider selling step index as well. On the 5 minutes time frame, we have this channel, and step index price is currently respecting the channel. So the channel is currently being respected by price. So you might want to consider jumping into the current down bearish trend. On the 1 minute time frame, what do we have? We have a range on the 1 minute time frame. This is the range top. right? And this is the range bottom. Okay, we might want to wait for range breakout. Okay, breakout of the range before we take our trade decision. But for now, price is trying to go up to the top of the range and also to the channel, top of the channel, the upper channel level. So, but a break below this ascending trend line might send prices particular order block on the 1 minute time frame. But for now, on the smaller time frame, step index is ranging, and the likely direction is downward. So you might consider selling step index at every bearish opportunity you find on the screen. So that's that for today's video on how to trade volatility 75 index and step index on the lower time frames. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you click the subscribe button? If you like the video, go ahead and smash the like button. Drop comments below the video, ask questions. We try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can also smash the bell button below the video for notification. You can visit our website www.beanfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade volatility index. You can also visit another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.